Welcome back to the channel. Next car lunch. Before you think the 2026 BYD Shark 6 is just another pickup truck, wait until you hear this. What if you could own a powerful pickup that gives you impressive fuel savings, lower maintenance costs, modern technology, and the ability to handle daily work without spending a fortune at the gas station? Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 BYD Shark 6, and by the end of this video, you'll know why this pickup is becoming one of the biggest value surprises for buyers in America, Japan, and the Middle East. So don't skip, because this truck might completely change the way you think about owning a pickup. The 2026 BYD Shark 6 is designed for people who need a pickup that works hard every day but also keeps ownership costs under control. Whether you're a small business owner, a contractor, a delivery driver, or simply someone who enjoys weekend adventures, this truck offers a combination of comfort, technology, and efficiency that is difficult to ignore. Let's begin with the expected pricing. In the United States, if the Shark 6 officially reaches the market through future import or distribution channels, buyers can expect an estimated price between $42,000 and $48,000 depending on trim level. In Japan, the expected price is around 6.3 million yen to 7.2 million yen. In many export markets across the Americas and the Middle East, pricing will likely stay competitive, making it one of the best value electrified pickups in its class. One of the biggest reasons people are talking about the Shark 6 is its plug-in hybrid powertrain. Unlike a traditional gasoline pickup that constantly burns fuel, this truck combines a gasoline engine with an electric system. That means many daily trips can be completed using much less fuel than a conventional pickup. In real-world driving, many owners can expect fuel economy that is significantly better than traditional mid-size pickups. Drivers who regularly charge the battery and mostly drive around town could spend far less on fuel every month. For business owners covering hundreds of miles each week, those savings can add up quickly over several years. Another major advantage is maintenance cost. Traditional pickups often require more engine-related maintenance because they rely entirely on gasoline power. Since the Shark 6 uses electric assistance, the gasoline engine may experience less stress during normal driving. That could help reduce long-term maintenance expenses. Regular services like tire rotation, brake inspections, cabin filters, and fluid checks remain important, but overall ownership costs may stay lower than many conventional pickups. Long-term ownership is another area where the Shark 6 makes a strong impression. Rise in fuel prices continue to affect pickup owners across many countries. Buying a truck that uses less fuel every day can make a noticeable difference over 5 or even 10 years. Lower operating costs can easily outweigh a slightly higher purchase price, especially for people who use their trucks for work. Many buyers also worry about resale value. BYD has become one of the fastest-growing automotive brands in the world, and its reputation continues to improve in international markets. If the company expands further into North America and strengthens its dealer network, resale value could remain competitive. Like most vehicles, depreciation will happen, but growing demand for electrified pickups may help support used vehicle prices in the future. Insurance costs are expected to stay similar to other mid-size pickups with modern safety technology. Final insurance premiums will depend on your location, driving history, and coverage, but many buyers should find the Shark 6 reasonably competitive compared to similarly priced trucks. Spare parts availability is another important topic. In countries where BYD already has strong dealer networks, finding replacement parts is becoming easier every year. As the brand expands globally, service centers and genuine parts availability should continue improving. For American buyers, future dealer expansion will play an important role, but BYD's global growth suggests better support over time. Now let's talk about daily driving. In the city, the Shark 6 feels smooth and quiet, especially during electric driving. Stop-and-go traffic becomes much more comfortable because the electric motor provides quick and responsive acceleration. Parking is also easier than many full-size American pickups thanks to its practical dimensions. On the highway, the Shark 6 offers a comfortable ride with stable handling. The cabin remains quiet, making long trips less tiring for drivers and passengers. Passing slower traffic feels confident because the combined power from the gasoline engine and electric motors delivers strong acceleration when needed. For people who actually use a pickup for work, daily usability matters just as much as performance. The cargo bed provides enough space for tools, equipment, business supplies, and outdoor gear. Whether you're transporting construction materials, camping equipment, or deliveries, the Shark 6 is designed to handle everyday tasks without feeling oversized. If we compare it with the Ford Ranger, the comparison becomes very interesting. The Ranger has built a strong reputation in America for durability and capability. However, the BYD Shark 6 focuses on reducing everyday ownership costs. Buyers who want lower fuel bills, modern electrified technology, and strong overall value may find the Shark 6 more attractive. The Ranger remains an excellent traditional pickup, but the Shark 6 offers a fresh approach for drivers who want to save money over time. American roads come in many different conditions, from crowded city streets to wide interstate highways and rural work areas. The Shark 6 adapts well to all of them. Its size makes it easier to drive through busy urban traffic than many full-size trucks, while still offering enough capability for commercial use and weekend adventures. Small business owners will appreciate the lower fuel costs, families will enjoy the comfortable cabin, and outdoor enthusiasts will like the balance between practicality and efficiency. Technology is another area where the Shark 6 stands out. Buyers can expect a modern digital dashboard, a large infotainment display, smartphone connectivity, advanced driver assistance features, multiple cameras, and useful safety systems that make everyday driving more convenient. These features help the truck feel modern without pushing the price into luxury territory. Overall, the 2026 BYD Shark 6 delivers something many pickup buyers have been waiting for. It combines strong everyday practicality with lower running costs, modern hybrid technology, comfortable driving, and competitive pricing. Instead of focusing only on horsepower numbers, it focuses on what really matters to most owners: saving money, reducing fuel consumption, and making daily work easier. If you're looking for a pickup that offers excellent value, smart technology, and lower ownership costs while still providing the capability you expect from a modern truck, the 2026 BYD Shark 6 deserves a place on your shortlist. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to Next Car Lunch, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest car reviews, pickup comparisons, and future automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.